So to get started, all you need to do is take your ONR here and simply put this proper dilution ratio in. This is 3 gallons of water. I want to put 3 capfuls of ONR in and get it fully prepped. I'm just going to give it a nice stir. That way everything is even. And then all you got to do, take this, dip it in. Don't overfill it. It's ready to fill line pretty much. Just put a sprayer on it. And then you have a bottle full of ONR to take care of your interior windows and your exterior touch-up needs.